the most beneficent, the most merciful. The child of today is the leader of tomorrow. Are we being neglected as the agents of change? Yes, Mr. President, we are being neglected as the agents of change. If you are being neglected, then what we have to do? I am here, Mr. President, to highlight this situation. Honorable guests, respected teachers, and my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam.
Thank you for having me. It's an honor to be here with you today. My name is Hassan Nisa Ahmad, and I am going to be speaking to you today on the topic that is the child of today is the leader of tomorrow. Mr. President, today I stand before you to address a topic of utmost significance and hope. As we gather here, we are reminded that the future of our society lies in the hands of the next generation. The children who walk among us today, as parents show that we recognize the potential within each child, nurture their talents, and provide them with the necessary tools to become leaders of tomorrow. Sir, we are hearing this from our teachers and parents all the time. Learn from your mistakes. Agreed. Agreed. Smart people learn from their mistakes, but wise people like leader learn from others' mistakes. But now a question arises that who is a leader? A leader is a person who creates an inspiring vision of the future and who motivates and inspires people to engage with that vision. Mr. President, leadership is not about power or dominance. It's about inspiring others, making positive changes and leaving a lasting impact on society. Tomorrow, leaders should embrace diversity and sustainability, working towards a better world for all. As Nelson Mandela once said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Let us ensure that every child has access to quality education regardless of their background, thus unlocking their potential and transforming them into capable leaders. Dear audience, when we talk about today's child, we refer to those bright-eyed and curious minds that grace our homes, schools, and communities. Children are not just the recipients of knowledge, they are the architects of tomorrow's world. Dear audience, according to the Dennis Waitley, the greatest gifts you can give your children are the roots of responsibility and the wings of independence. He beautifully tells us about the enormous responsibility the society has towards children. Children are priceless creators, precious gifts from Allah. Yet if our children are weak today, then the future of our society will definitely be weak. Furthermore, as adults, we need to set an example for the youth by being compassionate, responsible, and environmentally conscious citizens. Children learn by observing their role models, and it's our duty to exhibit the values we wish to see in the leaders of tomorrow. What you have achieved is not as important as what you have become after achieving it. Dear audience, I know there are a number of challenges that our children are facing today, but your children, do not be discouraged due to the challenges of the present time. You are precious to your parents and to us. You are kings and queens in the making. Be grateful to Allah for your parents and teachers and for the gift of life that you have been given. Let us unite in this mission and pledge to invest our time, effort, and resources in building a brighter tomorrow led by the capable hands of our children. Mr. President, let me conclude my speech by quoting Mr. Robert Fulghum. He says that, don't worry that children never listen to you. Worry that they are always watching you. I wish you a healthy, happy, and bright future, and thank you very much.